Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change time zone on Metatrader 5. So the first thing you need to do is just download the Metatrader 5 from your Play Store or App Store and then open it. Once you open it, simply create an account, or you can also log in your account if you already have created your account. Now from here what you need to do is just simply click on this three line menu at the top, and from there simply select setting option. Now as you can see, there is no option to change your time zone, but there was an option in the older version of Metatraders. So if you download that version, you will be able to change your time zone, but on this latest version this feature has been removed. But you can try to change the time zone of your phone, and that may be work, so you can also try that. So just go to the settings in your phone and then search time, and then open it, and from there simply you can try to change your time zone in your mobile settings. So that can work, but it is not granted, but you can try it. So that's how you can change time zone in Metatrader. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.